Hello viewers, we are back with another video and I hope you all are doing great. So guys, if you are content creator, filmmaker or someone interested in AI video generation, then this video is for you. So guys, today I will be showcasing you a Higgs Field, one of the fastest growing AI video platform that helps generate cinematic videos with a real control over visuals, motions and audios. So in this video I'll walk you through the platform, explain the key tools and also demonstrate how you can generate AI videos directly on the Higgsfield website. So let's guys start. So before starting guys, you have to subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon to receive the every notification of our video. And also guys, this video is only made for educational purpose. We are not the financial advisor, so always do your own research first and then invest. So guys, let's move forward to the website. So as I mentioned, they are only working through a website. There is no application of Higgsfield. So guys, first of all, Higgsfield is an AI powered video creations platform designed specially for creators. Its main goal is to make AI video generation simple, flexible and actually usable for a real content creation. So inside one platform, Higgsfield gives you access to multiple powerful AI models like guys Nano Banana Pro, Kling 2.6 Audio, Van 2.5 and their newest workflow is on Cinema Studio. So the idea is simple. You describe a scene, choose a model and Higgsfield turned into a cinematic film like video. So if you can imagine a scene, you can create it using guys Higgsfield. So guys, first of all we will talk about here you can see a dashboard where all the tools are guys available in one place. Guys, you don't need to install any software, everything works directly in the browser. So for here guys, you can select different models depending on whether you want quality image with this audio or full filmmaking or for this guys. A Unifield step makes Higgsfield very creator friendly and especially compared to platforms where you have switch between multiple guys tools. So guys, first of all we will talk about the Nano Banana Pro demo. So if you want to get the Nano Pro, you can first of all you can check out here best 4K image guys model. You can click here guys, simply the Nano Banana Pro is here. So first of all let's talk about it. Nano Banana is next generation image engine that generates production ready visuals in up to 4K quality. So it's especially useful if you want clean sharp images, correct text in a visuals, a consistent face and characters. If you can generate image in a 1K, 2K or a 4K and even upscale image to a 4K guys, this perfect for thumbnails guys, storyboard, cinematic frames and visuals that later be converted into video. So if you want to generate any kind of image, like we need to put any kind of scene, like we need to put like make a we can put so we need to give any guys any kind of a prompt to them. So let's generate one of our guys. So it's take just only a few seconds and then your pictures will be ready to you. You can simply guys give the prompt to them and the video and image any kind of you need, it will be ready to you. So guys, Nano Banana is one of top their video and guys photo generation tool. You can check out a girl image. We gave a prompt to them and it is ready in a few seconds. So in a next phase guys, we will talk about their Kling 2.6 audio and video generation. So you can find a Kling 2.6 here guys, you can check out. So I need to show you a Kling 2.6. So here guys, you can check out Kling 2.06 where you can generate different kind of videos to them. So guys, we are on the Kling 2.6. Now guys, you need if you want to make any kind of a video, so like duration is 5 seconds or 10 seconds. So here is it. The model allows you to generate guys video with a native audio, meanings, visuals, voice, backgrounds, and ambience, all generation together in one guys pass. You don't need to separate voice tools or editing software. Kling 2.6 audio also provides smoother motion, better camera movement, and accurate guys interruptions for a permit. So the audio quality goes to full like 180 pixel, which is great for a YouTube and a social media. So guys, we need to give them a prompt. So I already got the prompt from chat GPT. So here guys, you simple need to give a prompt to guys Kling 2.6. Then you need to fix the durations. If you wanted to generate the audio as well, simply guys click on it, click on the guys generate button. Let's click on the generate button and it will be ready in a few guys seconds they take. So we need to wait a few seconds and our video will be ready. So guys, here is our video. You can check we have give a prompt to guys the Kling 2.6 and you can check out we have got the prompt like people are talking in a village and the greenery in the background, there are small houses. So guys, we have got the video in a simple and organic way. So here is the simple detail you can check out and get the video from a Kling 2.6, one of the guys best AI tool to get the videos from AI. So also guys, I wanna mention that one 2.6 model is also there. So guys, here you can check out one 2.6 is an unrestricted AI model that handles bold and creative prompts. It supports audio and motion together, lip sonic and a voiceover, multiple accepts ratios. You can generate up to the 10 seconds, making it a real like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok content, and especially useful for creators who want more creative freedoms and internet native styles. So that a very simple method you can get the videos for your Shorts, Instagram, Telegram, or like kind of TikTok Reels. So one of the guys most useful for guys for everyone. So if you wanna get guys a prompt, you can simply go to the guys GPT and ask about anything you have in guys your mind, got the prompt from them, and then guys simply paste the prompt to the Kling 2.6 and after it you will get your video, your shorts ready in a few seconds. So that is very one of the most advanced tool I have ever seen. In the next phase we'll talk about guys Cinema Studio. So one of the most exciting features on a Higgs field on Cinema Studio. Cinema Studio is an end-to-end filmmaking workflow that takes you from a text to image, image to video, and all inside one system. So it includes guys a cinematic frame and guys compensations, a real cinema camera and lens profiles, film trained aesthetics. This tool is designed for creators who guys want consistent professional film like shorts without jumping between different platforms. So that is also a very guys easy tool. Simply you can put your prompt, your image if you have any kind of mind, and then it will be Cinema Studio for you. So that is a multiple guys things in a one frame. That is only a Higgsfield.ai. So that is one of the most advanced AI I have ever seen. So Higgsfield guys for content creators, you can check out. They are providing content creators, YouTubers, filmmakers, AI artists, social media marketers. They can this AI is ideal for them. So if you are creating short form YouTubes or a cinematic scenes, Higgsfield gives you a control over quality, motions, and audio. So guys, this is our video. So if you wanna join it, guys, first of all you have to do your research first in Hexfield.ai. Then guys you can check out, because your research is very important to them. So I have already upgraded my plans. In the, if you have any kind of guys question, you can simply click on it. So it's the plan for a basic. So if you wanna recharge, so 150 credits for a per month for a $9, 17.4 for a 600 credits, and 14.5 for a 1200 credits, and 35.7 is 6000 credits per month. So that is pricing details for them. So also guys, it's overall Xfield is powerful AI video generation platforms built with the creators in a mind. It combines advanced AI models with a simple workflow to help you turn ideas into guys cinematic videos. This is for educational purpose only guys, and not financial or professional advice. Always explore tools based on your own needs. So if you are found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. So I'll see you in the next video guys. Goodbye.